Coming back, Casey. He's trying to make sure he can see you.
In a few minutes, our next potential predator will probably be thinking he too should have stayed away.
Okay, his name is Lorne, L-O-R-N-E. You're Taylor. We have condoms, pizza, bracelet.
Oh my God, I guess you want to show me.
Don't you be recording me. I'm going to get him some ham.
Well, anyway.
Cheers every time I cherish it.
How do you know right now that somebody's not eating my pussy while I'm talking to you? I do not love you, and I never have.
Stop messing with stuff like that.
No, you're gonna put your dick in my mouth while I'm
I did, but then I changed my mind.
Lorne, you smoke 2 packs of cigarettes a day. You don't have no stamina.
Are you nervous about talking to me?
Lorne, rape is not funny.
Wait.
But Lorne, rape is not funny. Well, anyway.
Would you like to see it up close?
I guess.
Lorne.
Hey everyone, Chris Hansen here.
Holy crap.
Chris Hansen with Dateline NBC.
I don't care.
How did this happen?
Because I was a fucking dumb man.
Well, you know the problem here. I'm Chris Hansen. I'm with Dateline NBC.
I know. Okay, well, it's okay.
I don't believe it.
Okay. Alan Jackson.
Well, let's get right into it. Chris Hansen with Dateline NBC. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Is this a full-time job?
How do I do it?
Predator.
You're a YouTube star. So am I. But it's still, at some point, comes down to one-on-one. But you need to see a couple things here.
Oh my God.
And again, Chris Hansen with Dateline NBC.
I really do want to stop messing with stuff like that.
A lot of times, the guy you think is coming next doesn't come next. It's another guy.
I'm not buying, I'm not getting.
I'm looking for a bold.
It's built for guys. They won't do it, that's their own thing.
Oh my God.
Thank you again very much. I appreciate it. Good luck with your future endeavors, and let's stay inside.
Okay.
There are other security people in the house.
Okay, I got it. Long ago, number one.
It should be noted.
Police are doing a parallel investigation outside the house.
100. Sorry. Oh my God. I just okay. Well, okay.